Did you know that industrial design originated from repurposing old factories and warehouses into living spaces in the 1960s? It's all about the raw edgy vibe, but not always. Sometimes even an old building apartment on two levels with high ceiling can be turned into an industrial style gem. Do you wanna proof? Watch this video and get ready to be blown away by the coolest industrial apartment you've ever seen. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hi friends, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel. Today, a spacious apartment on two levels. Eclectic design with an industrial touch, large industrial windows, yet inspired by the modern design exposed brick walls and contemporary furnishings. Discover how to incorporate the industrial aesthetic into your own home. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore this unique and stylish living space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more budget-friendly home styling tips, leave a comment below with your favorite part of the makeover or share your own small living room transformation. I'm so excited to take you on a tour of a sleek industrial living space that you absolutely must see. Stunning apartment design located in an old heritage building, this gorgeous apartment covers two floors. Despite its world age, the building's modern design and industrial sense set the tone for the chic vibe you'll find inside. Now, let's dive into the challenges the interior designers faced in designing and decorating this apartment. From balancing industrial elements with cozy touches to maximizing space without compromising style, there were plenty of hurdles to overcome to achieve the desired look and feel. As we explore the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and unique fixtures in the apartment, you'll see how each space seamlessly blends industrial aesthetics with modern comfort. The white walls, white painting, concrete floor throughout, exposed brick walls, metal fixtures, and minimalist furniture create a harmonious and inviting atmosphere throughout. But wait, there is more. Led by windows with sitting bench, modern L-shaped kitchen with a rustic touch, white cabinets with blue backsplash. As I said, everywhere you will find exposed brick walls, exposed beams, and an intensive use of reclaimed wood. Not to mention the fascinating industrial pendant lamps, and especially one of them in the living area in the shape of melon hats. The living room has two Chesterfield-style gray sofas facing each other. Small but comfortable blue and white bedrooms. A great metallic industrial-style stairway links the two levels. Downstairs, you will find a beautiful entertainment room with benches along the walls and a large TV screen. As we wrap up this tour, let's recap the key features and design choices that make this living space truly one of a kind. From the mix of textures and materials to the strategic use of space and light, every element comes together to create a visually stunning and cohesive design. Finally, I want to encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe for more apartment tours and design inspiration. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more of my passion for interior design with all of you. Thank you for joining me on this apartment tour. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating beauty in your own space. See you in the next video.